Hello. Hi. I don't have a camera on the front, so I have to use the back. Hanging. Just hanging with my friend. Say hi. Hello. No, just don't. Just don't. So we're on a dock. See, it's beautiful outside.
Not.
No, the
The
water.
see how far that jumped. It did a barrel roll and it landed back in like a pop.
Okay, so see, the water is freaking hideous. It looks like
Come here, Flash.
horrible.
I know, it's gonna die soon.
I can finally touch the water with my toes. Come on, let's go. Kind of, yeah. I have to like. Okay. So let me sit down. Let's just water. Come on, water. You need it? Oh! Hello, come towards me. You made white water. You made white water. Splashed my phone. Why would you do that to me? It's kind of my fault because I'm getting my phone so close. But I mean. No! No, that was right towards my leg. Why'd you do that? I'm mad at you. Mad at you.
That was funny.
It's just like came right at my legs. You're like a giant. Look, guys, you want to see how tall he is compared to me? My shortness. See? So I'm right here. He's up there. I'm right here. He's up there. It's not right. So many water dots on my phone. Let's go in there, genius.
You're welcome.
I know. Thank you so much. And I have it on the front of my phone.
Woo!
Front of my phone. Back of my phone. Everywhere.
What you get from...
I'm pulling up the crab trap. Okay. Let's go look at the crab trap. I'm not going to put it on the dock if there's nothing in it.
Huh?
I'm not going to put the crab trap on the dock if there's nothing in it.
Tell me if there's anything in it.
Okay? I get it wrapped with my hands, brah. Ugh.
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh!
Drop that.
I almost dropped it on the boat.
That would suck.
I know.
That'd be so nice.
Horrible. I'm gonna sit in my usual spot I sit at. Sit right at the pole. I don't know why I like the pole this much, but I do. I love this pole right here. My trusty pole. Trusty pole. It's kind of nice out here. It feels nice.
Yeah, it does.
Outside, it doesn't feel hot. It doesn't feel cold. Hello.
Get ya?
No. I think it will only get me if I'm sitting up there, because that's when it's the closest.
Nope.
You want me to sit back over there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to sit back. I'm going to walk like a midget. This is how I walk now. I'm on my knees. So. Okay, let's go to the seawall. Let's go there. And he's going to hit my feet. Try to hit my feet. You can't do it. Okay. So let's do this. Oh, I see a little fishy. Look at those little mini fish.
Bring it in.
They're so cute. You got something caught? Come for me. Please don't. Oh, there's
Pine needle.
yeah. See, even you can't do it.
Okay.
I want to control it real quick.
Yeah, you can control it.
Okay.
Let me just pull it down a little.
Here.
There you go.
You can vlog.
I suck at vlog.
Take the phone.
I turned it down.
Yay. This is so gross. I didn't even want him to touch my foot in it. Shut up, clouds.
Alright.
Okay, so oh, this is a 5-minute video. I know. I made longer videos. Okay, so later, if he agrees to do it, the lyric challenge. How dare you!
Myself. With like one drop.
Like, bruh, that's like, it's like me dipping my leg in the water. If you agree to do it, we will do the lyric challenge on somebody. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, anyways, we'll try to do the lyric challenge to the song Closer. Okay, so, bye.